Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Today is Saturday, April 20, 2024. Our horoscope for the day starts with the strength, la fuerza. This is a requirement or a must for everybody when you are to face the facts of life or the realities of life. You must be ready to fight for your freedom, to assert your right, to give away what is real and what is your position to that. Are you the owner? Do you inherit an item, a piece of land, the right to be human being, the self-preservation? So for the day, our horoscope is all about that. We must fight for our own freedom. We must not be a subject of domination, of deceit, or of mockery, which in present time we all have these. There is no more that idea of believing in mores and standard of morality. Nothing is truth about this now. So the bottom line is you have to withstand what your society dictates of you. It's your responsibility what you must do. And you must not be a willing victim of a society or of a person or of a leadership. But what can we do if the leader is weak? I'm just asking. We must fight for this. We must learn how to do this. It is not really magic, but it is all about the conditioning of the mind. Are you weak? Will you be able to fight for your own right? Right for your children, for your grandchildren. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito, magsimula ang Taurus, April 20, 2024, matatapos to ng Mayo 20, 2024. Ngayon po ay araw ng Biyernes, at ang ating horoscope ay may kinalaman sa lakas, la fuerza. Hindi lamang ito lakas ng physical, kung hindi lakas ng iyong isip, lakas ng iyong paninindigan sa katotohanan, lakas ng iyong paninindigan sa iyong nagisnang pangyayari sa buhay. Ikaw ba ay bahagi ng isang kasinungalingan? O dapat mong buhayin ang iyong sarili para makita mo ang tapat na katotohanan? Kaya nga, ang fuerza ay hindi lamang tungkol sa lakas mo na parang ikaw si Samson. Kung hindi ang lakas mo na ginawa ng Panginoong Hesus nung panahon na sinupil niya ang masama. Ikaw ba? Saan ka papanig?